Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a lightning blue metallic 2017 Ford Mustang, stock number A7257. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights. Hood is in excellent shape, nice sporty feel to it. I do not see any noticeable scratches or dings. There is an alloy rim with a close-up on the tire that is wrapped in a Ventus tire that is made by Hankook. Inside you have a black cloth upholstery which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for two in the front row and seating for two back in the second row, making this a 4-passenger Mustang. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust here. You've got a backup camera and there's also keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it's very clean inside. You do have carpeted floor mats included. And the reason that I'm showing you this Mustang today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door here, you have your usual power amenities. And then as we take a step inside, to the left of the steering wheel, you do have your cruise control buttons, and then over on the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Coming over to the center, you've got this great display here. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. There is a push-button start here. This is a 6-speed manual transmission with a 3.7-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 28 miles per gallon. Another very cool feature here for your soft top convertible. It's as easy as the push of one button to get that open and closed, and as you can see, that's a nice fast transition there to get that sealed. Alright, now as we take a step outside, we'll take a quick look at that soft top. As you can see, that's in pristine condition. If you'd like to get more information on this Mustang or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided to you by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.